So that's what the CEO of Passkey explained to me, was that if you don't have this key on that server, then the company that runs your application can't unencrypt your data. I just want to encourage you guys. This is the way you use a password manager. That's the way a key works. And it's just like having a key to your house. Without it, you can't see anything inside the house. And that's what this is. This is the outside of your house. This is the key to get in. And this is the interior of your house. Without the key, you're not going to see anything inside. All right, great. So we've got password generation, suggest strong passwords for you. Accessibility, integrated into Chrome, easy to log into. Security checkups. All right, great. So these password managers, a lot of times the ones in Chrome or Edge will automatically ask you to save the data for you. That's totally okay. That's up to you. If you want them to do it, you can just enable that. If it's bothering you and you're not using it, you're using your own password manager, you can actually turn it off. And that's turned off in the settings, the triple dot. You go to passwords or security and passwords, and then you go to just disable auto prompt to save passwords, and it'll stop asking you. These are best practices for using the password managers. One, use a strong master password. So your main password getting into your password manager should be pretty strong. Okay. For me, the Google password manager that I'm using, it's my email account password. That one I've made super strong because I needed to. It's important to make sure that you do that, because those password managers, if they're not secure, then nothing is secure. This is the key to all your other passwords, so make it strong and unique. If you need help doing that, just go back to lesson 1 and walk through it again. It'll walk you right through creating a very strong password.